Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside digital depth gauge. Measuring range gap, it is from 0 to 80 mm. Measuring range borehole 0 to 50 mm. Accuracy 0.1 mm. Resolution 0.05 mm. Includes battery 13V CR2032, 3 years warranty. For depth measurement of boreholes, millet and saw cuts, joints or tie profiles, as you can see. With a standalone frame and magnetic fit, measurement regulator with a locking screw. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Oh, it comes with a case. Beautiful. And of course, we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me. I'm going to find out all about this product. Nice case, Parkside logo. Oh, the battery. And there's the tool. And here we've got the scale. Just press, it goes at this side. Press again, goes at the other side. And it is from 0 to 14 centimeter or from 0 to 6 inch. We've got the locking screw for the scale. It's not moving. Perfect. Unlock. Now it's moving. The display at the front, the on-off button, the INC ABS button, millimeter, inch and fraction button, color coded. At the foot we've got two magnets and the depth measuring tip in a good position here. And of course, here we've got the battery compartment. And turns on. Now let's say we need to measure this gap here inside. We need this tip. Remove the tip. Install it at the back. Okay, goes to 0. We need millimeter for now. 0. And then here, by just pressing the scale, and there we'll get minus 13.30 the measurement. Okay, correct. We can remove that, or you can use it to measure the wood cutting blade depth, or for the wood router. Definitely it is very helpful. Or by sliding up, you can measure any drilling hole. It is your choice how you want to use it. Definitely it is a helpful tool and it will make your life more helpful, more easy, at the right moment, take the right measurements. And of course it is with magnets. It stays here in any metal surface. And of course you can measure and the height, let's say, of this metal. But first let's go to 0. There's a 0. And then just sliding. We can see we've got a 60.40 millimeter. Very helpful on a wood cutting blade. It will stay at the table. And you can choose from millimeter, then inch. It is your choice. Or ABS and INC. And it cost only 12 euros. I think it's a value of money. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.